I am creating this floating island for a tutorial video on Three.js. We'll be using this 3D model there, and I am going to give you a walkthrough of how I made this in Blender. It is super simple, you just need to know the basic features of Blender to make it. So first we need the base of the island, the ground. We'll just use this default cube and make it a little thin and wide. Now let's add a tree. We'll use a cylinder for the trunk. Turn on the snapping to attach it to the ground. Then let's add a spear to make the leaves. And we will use spears with different sizes and place them at different positions until I get what I want. Now let's add some more layers to the ground below. We'll just duplicate this ground and change its size. And we will add some more blocks below as well as above the ground. Now let's add some colors to this using materials. We'll just change the color property and nothing else. This still looks very plain and empty. I want to add some rocks. So we will sculpt a rock out of this cube. Place it here and give it a color as well. We'll just create one more. And I still want to add some more details. I was thinking of veins on this tree. For that we can use a really thin cylinder and put it on the tree. One last detail I want to add is some grass blocks with a dark green color to make the ground visually little more interesting. And there we have it, a simple 3D floating island.